Stop. I promise it's the last time I stop you this week. But I have good news and I have bad news. Remember in the previous video, but I only had 30 seconds, I showed you how we're going to build one digital asset that consistently. Give me 1 second. Marius, the people watching, get it together. It's consistently. Almost on a daily basis. Makes us $100 per day. And we converted that to rand, and that was 1,500 rand per day, which is 45,000 a month. Well, us digital marketers are shit lazy. Now I fooled you. Oh, you think I said shit. I don't say shit. I don't cuss. I will never say shit in a video. I said sloth. Yes, you can talk shit. We are sloth lazy. See, sloth. So the first opportunity you get, I recommend that I show you how to start a high. That's high. Ticket digital asset. That makes $1,000 to $2,800 a pop, yes. But the bad news is it doesn't take any more work creating a 15,000 or 45,000 per day income. Just creating $100. How freaking cool is that? If you're interested to learn how, comment high. That's not high. Now there's one other digital asset that I do want to talk about. But let's do that in the next video. So remember to hit the follow button.